Escape to one of the most breathtaking mountain settings in West Virginia, where a fully furnished log cabin sits at an elevation of 3,017 feet, delivering world-class panoramic views that stretch across the legendary Germany Valley and all the way towards Spruce Knob, the highest peak in the state. If your dream is waking up above the clouds, surrounded by mountains, forests, and complete tranquility, this may be exactly what you've been searching for. Tucked within the beautiful Seneca Lookout community in West Virginia, this charming mountain retreat offers the perfect balance of privacy, natural beauty, and convenience. A private gravel driveway leads you to the home, while still connecting easily to a state-maintained road, giving you simple access without sacrificing that secluded mountain atmosphere. The cabin itself is a beautifully maintained 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath log home that comes fully furnished, allowing you to immediately step into mountain living from day one. Warm wood finishes and classic log construction create the timeless lodge feeling that so many people dream about when they imagine owning a cabin in the mountains. Large windows invite the surrounding scenery inside, constantly reminding you that you're living among some of the most incredible views in the region. Whether you are enjoying your morning coffee while watching fog settle into the valleys below, or sitting back in the evening taking in colorful mountain sunsets, every moment here feels connected to nature. One of the most remarkable features of this property is its direct connection to the outdoors. The property borders the National Forest and provides access to the North Mountain Hiking Trail, a trail stretching approximately 27 miles through incredible mountain terrain. Outdoor adventure truly starts right outside your front door. For winter sports and recreation enthusiasts, the location becomes even more appealing, with close proximity to some of the area's most popular mountain destinations, including ski resorts and year-round recreation areas. This West Virginia mountain retreat is more than a cabin. It's an opportunity to own a front row seat to some of the most spectacular scenery nature has to offer.